Hey hi, this 2025 POCO has launched the POCO S7 series. Before we going into this video, please like and subscribe our Tech Ashkira channel. Let's go. Hey hi guys, this 2025 POCO has launched the POCO S7 Pro 5G. So let's go to see the expected specifications. The 6.67 inches display with a 1.5 AMOLED LED display and a 120 Hz refresh rate and a HD Hot10 plus Corning Gorilla Glass 7i they mentioned. So coming to the processor, they are using the MediaTek and Dimensity is a 8400 Ultra they are saying. So it's the best one we can see. And RAM they have to giving 12 GB of RAM and the storage is up to 512 GB of storage. And the rear camera is 50 megapixels OIS plus 8 MP ultra wide they are given. And the front camera it's a 20 megapixel with a battery of 6000 mAh and 90 watts wide charging supported they are given. This is the best one model they are saying in 2025. So yeah, that's it guys. You can just comment it out. Will you buy this POCO S7 Pro model or you want to buy any new model phone in 2025? Just comment it out. I will review that mobile. Okay guys, see you. Take care. Smile. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on next video.